We're here at Onyett Fabricators, and we're performing a performance package on their existing K1000 press brake, which we made back in the 1950s in Oakland, California, where we first started. So their original press brake had a hydraulic system that was not a Pacific hydraulic system. So what we did is we brought this machine to our specs. We stripped this whole thing down electrically, hydraulically. We took the cylinders off. We equipped it with our proprietary hydraulics. We retrofitted the electrical, all new controls. We added new technology as far as the air cooler, the heaters, and our new level valve system. So the only thing original on this press now is the frame, the cylinder housing, and the piston.
I've been working with press brakes for over 11 years now, and we know that it's very important to get it going as soon as possible for Onyett to be able to serve their customers. The bones are still good. They just need upgraded to today's electronics and the new technology with the hydraulics. They're bending parts today. They should get another 50 out of it.
So I started the project with Onyett. They reached out to us and they gave us, a chance. This was a new relationship we built with them, and we were presented with the opportunity to retrofit this.
Onyett have been very helpful. Anytime any of our needs, they came through. If we needed any machine work done, they have a machine shop here. The guys are good, and they got the parts made up for us that we needed. It's been a really good experience customer-wise.
The communication between Onyett and Pacific has been great. I think they're really happy with the results. We'll have a follow-up with the customer as far as time goes on, seeing how things are going. We love the feedback because we're always wanting to continue to improve.